Hey guys, it is May the 30th, 2025, and today we're going to go take a look and see what kind of progress they've got made on the new Intercoastal bridge that's going to be crossing the Intercoastal waterway onto the island here in Gulf Shores and Orange Beach. We're going to go down, we'll take a look at it from the island side, see the span that's coming across the water now, do the little roundabout. They have put a roundabout that's going to be at the end of the bridge when it lands on the island. Do the little roundabout, come back, and let you see what the other side looks like of the construction progress. See there, you can see a span of the bridge partially making it across the canal already. Cranes are still there. They've got a barge down there with a crane on it. Lots of people here working still. They've shifted the road over just a little bit here. Another pylon they're getting ready to concrete in right here. Workers in the crane there. But when the actual bridge comes down and lands over here, so we'll go around to the left side over here. We'll make a loop and let you see it. But they've put in a roundabout here on Canal Road, so the traffic coming off the bridge and the traffic going down Canal Road won't ever actually have to stop. It just has to deal with this roundabout right here. See if this car knows it. Yeah, they know how to stop it. The bridge traffic will be coming from that little area right there and dumping into the roundabout, and you can either go towards Gulf Shores or Orange Beach from there. Going back around towards the east on Canal now, well, in the east direction. We're not really going east yet, but you can see more of the pylons here on the right hand side, and back there in that clearing you can see where they're finishing the landing ramp for the bridge. We're going to continue on down Canal Road towards Gulf Shores to the west. At the end of Canal Road, they've actually got the road detouring through the neighborhood. They've started construction on a new pedestrian bridge that will go from near where Tacky Jack's is, there on the canal in Gulf Shores, over the Intercoastal waterway, and I'm not really sure where it's going to go to on the other side just yet. I know there's a boat marina repair place there, but there's Lulu's, the track, and other things, but that's a little bit more of a walk, but we'll see. detour they've put on Canal Road. If you look out there just a little ways, you can see all the construction equipment. We're going to detour through this little neighborhood here. And we'll get another look at it here on the other side. Let's see here. So the pedestrian bridge will link all these little businesses here across to the north side of the Intercoastal waterway. There's the Big Beach Brewing Company, and you can see the construction guys there working. We'll go down here and get a different camera angle for you. Down underneath the 59 bridge that goes into Gulf Shores. We'll go ahead and loop through that parking lot and get a shot of the Sloop restaurant as we turn around and go back to see if we can get a better angle. This is the little boat launch here underneath the 59 bridge. Sloop bar and restaurant area thing. There's the Acme Oyster House again. Gulf Shores location of Tacky Jack's, and right here beside it's where they've got the road blocked where they're doing construction for the new pedestrian bridge. Since I'm already over this way in Gulf Shores, I'll go ahead and we're going to do a little drive down 59 all the way down to the hangout, get you some video footage of the drive down. Don't let the light traffic fool you. It says Friday, May the 30th, 2025, but it's only around 8 o'clock in the morning, so everyone's not out yet. This will be more like a parking lot and more bumper to bumper as the day goes on. There's a sign reminding everyone to remove all their beach gear from the beach at sunset every night. Leave only footprints. Everything will be collected from the beach and disposed of. Can't retrieve it. see up over the top of Souvenir City and the Shrimp Basket, Creco's, that tall white building. That's the new Embassy Suites here in Gulf Shores, and it is pretty massive. You can see the Embassy Suites building there. Big building across from Surf Style here at the 59T here in Gulf Shores. And that was just a quick little update and look at things that are happening around Gulf Shores and Orange Beach. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing.